If you are wondering if we have the dual app feature available on Samsung Galaxy A57, then the answer is yes, we do have the dual app feature, and it is actually called Dual Messenger. In order to find it, you just have to open Settings and scroll down in here in order to go to Advanced Features. Now once we go to Advanced Features, then over here we should be able to find that Dual Messenger option. However, unfortunately, only a couple of apps are available with this feature. Only some of them can be duplicated using this dual messenger option. So realistically, if you're looking for other apps, if you want to duplicate other apps other than the ones that are available in here, then you might want to use the secure folder, which you can set up by going to security and privacy. Then over here we can go to more security settings, and then in here we have the secure folder option. And once you set it up, you will be able to set up a password, of course, and then whatever you install inside the secure folder, then it works like the second copy, like the duplicated app, if you install exactly the same app, of course, inside the secure folder. Because the secure folder is like the private space or separated environment, whatever you install in there, it works only inside the secure folder. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.